All the vanilla that IVI produces goes to our parent organization called Expovan, which has the arduous task of processing this vanilla to produce the best quality of the finished product, which is your cured vanilla beans. Expovan currently works in the open market to source from wherever is possible. Already with what we've seen as results from IVI vanilla this year, we will grow into a company that has 90% of its production traceable back to our own farms. The key to being able to achieve this quality, of course, depends on people. So working with the people in the farm, the people of our organization who work with the farmers there, and the people in Expovan. We have here a workforce which is almost 90% women and almost all from the villages surrounding. We take a lot of pride in saying that we have almost no worker attrition. That's because it all depends on ensuring that they have a happy environment, taking care of all their social needs. In vanilla processing, the human element plays a big role. We also have a saying that the vanilla has to pass through the human hand 100 times before it's ready to be used. When any batch of vanilla is ready for use, we export it. We put the vanilla through a lot of testing, meaning testing for vanillin, moisture, aroma, and also to be compliant with minimum residual levels to ensure that there are no pesticides, residues in it. So these go through a lot of testing with some of the best labs in the world. We ensure that they meet all the compliances that are necessary for food safety. We have food safety certification, we have BRC, ISO 22000, organic production line. But another key certification is what we have is the SEDEX certification, wherein we want to comply and be beyond compliance in ensuring that our workers have all their needs met. The processing of vanilla is an art by itself. Learning from tradition, learning from the science that has come into vanilla processing the last 2 decades, and then finally our own experience of 2 decades, I think we have a good hold on producing vanilla of the highest quality. But we know that with the vanilla that comes from IVI, the finished quality is a benchmark because it's way above what is there anywhere else in the world.
In my customers' satisfaction, this is what gives me a lot of joy in cooking, because when you're doing a really good dessert,